Yeah, we are very happy with a very productive and very constructive meeting with His Excellency and the representatives of the vendors throughout the country. Key takeaways for the Minister of Local Government are: one, that we must improve the relationship between the vendors and the local authorities in the various local authorities in the country. Two, we must involve the vendors in the revision of bylaws or preparation of any new bylaws. This was a topical issue. Three, that the municipal police must stop forthwith harassing vendors. There are better ways of communicating. Harassing is not a better way of communicating. The ministry will now take leadership in reining in all local authorities that are ill-treating vendors. But more importantly, that night vending is not allowed. His Excellency was very clear on that. Those that have been operating during the night are not part of the registered vendors. These are people that are coming in and out, because night vending is coming with it. One, there are no ablution facilities, which becomes a health scare. Number two, the people who are night vending are creating fertile ground for drug and substance abuse activities. The same people are creating fertile ground for those that are bringing into the country from other countries counterfeit products that are now being sold at night, and they find themselves in people's homes, which is another health scare. We are very grateful to His Excellency for providing leadership and direction, and the vendors are now comfortable communicating regularly with the ministers. And then the President said these doors are open. If vendors have got issues, they must always, through the ministries, come and dialogue with the President. It is also important to note that the President has directed the Minister of Local Government and Public Works, working together with the Minister of Women Affairs, Community Small and Medium Enterprise Development, to ensure that we provide sustainable, modern working spaces for vendors. We are going to be doing that with immediate effect. We are going to be working with the other government agencies and the ministries. We are going to be working with the private sector. We've already started doing that, by the way. In Harare, here where we are, Mbari Msika was gutted by fire sometime last year, in October last year, and His Excellency directed that these ministries start the reconstruction process of the Mbari Traders Market. Phase 1 is complete, and we're inviting all the vendors on the day. We'll advise you on the day when it's going to be commissioned by His Excellency in April this year. So it's very, very important that we also identify areas where vendors are going to be operating from. It is not healthy, it is not proper for vendors to be operating wherever they feel like operating, and in front of other businesses, in front of hotels, when others just littering all over the country. It's not proper. The President said no to that. We need to provide designated areas where we'll have facilities that have got sanitation, facilities that will ensure that you are not exposed to any dangers. Night vending has brought with it littering all over. It has brought with it blockage of drainage, because people hide their wares in the drains. When it starts raining, those drains become clogged, and we have problems in our streets. Streets become flooded, and people start blaming central government for that. Yet we are the ones that are creating this problem. But I'm happy, as I conclude, I'm happy to say that we have found each other, the vending community, Minister of Local Government, and their parent ministry, Minister of Women Affairs. We have found each other. We're going to be working together, urban area by urban area, throughout the country, in the 32 urban local authorities and in the 60 rural local authorities. But the major challenges were coming from the 32 urban local authorities, which I think we are going to be able to cause meetings as quickly as we can, so that we can advise them on how to deal with other people. No to harassment of vendors. That's so said the President. Thank you.